So if you're looking for windows and you're thinking, what about Andersen? Is the cost worth it for buying Andersen windows? This is the video for you. So watch through, and I'm going to go through the benefits of Andersen, but also kind of the drawbacks as well, so you can hopefully make that decision for yourself. Probably the biggest thing for Andersen is their wood construction. So we're comparing Andersen versus a top grade vinyl window, say like a Provia Eris or Provia Endure series. Awesome vinyl windows. The fact of the matter is vinyl contracts and expands a lot with heat change. And so with these wide temperature swings that we have in Pennsylvania, you have the vinyl in the window slowly and expanding and contracting as the temperatures increase and decrease. And then what happens is the seals between the vinyl and the glass tend to wear out over time, and that's when you get fogging. Also, where there's caulking, sometimes the caulking cracks over time and so forth. So that's kind of the drawback and the limiting factor in vinyl windows, and why usually after 20, 25 years, you got to replace them. Whereas with an all wood construction window, wood does not expand and contract like vinyl does. So you can have an Andersen window 45, 50 years, still has clear glass, still a great line of sight, everything is still intact and functioning properly. And actually, Kevin has Andersen windows in his home, so we're gonna head over to his office and see what he has to say about the Andersen windows in his house.
So the house I bought had Andersen windows in there, and the house was built in '77. I bought the house 2 years ago, and the windows still look great. 50 years old, a window that still opens and closes, a glass that's not fogged or hazed over, still, perfect view straight out the window. Some of the cranks aren't working properly, but I'm told that Andersen can get any hardware, replace any part that they've ever manufactured. So it's just a matter of getting those things taken care of. I would definitely recommend them. They are a high value product, probably the best quality out there that you can get. And I think what I'm experiencing in my home proves that.
All right, so what about the actual price difference? Andersen windows do cost more than a good premium, even a premium vinyl window. We're looking at, our Provia series windows. They might be $900 to $1,500 on the high side. An Andersen window for us, we could install, $1,800 to $2,500, $3,000, depending on, the window and so forth. However, there's an Andersen franchise out there, Renewal by Andersen. Just because of all the extra overhead costs they have, typically you'll see their prices quite a bit higher than that, usually starting around $3,000 to $3,500, going all the way to $5,000 or $5,500 for a window. So they don't have to be that expensive, but they are going to be more expensive than a vinyl window. They're handcrafted, they're wood, they're solid, the hardware is built to last for decades. Speaking of real wood, Andersen has real wood windows. Now, not all of their windows are completely wood. They also have a product called Fibrex, which is like a composite of wood and other materials, but that Fibrex is still a lot stronger and less susceptible to expansion and contraction than what a vinyl would be. But here we see the sashes are completely wood on the inside. The cool thing is you can get these stripped without color. You can stain them any color you want. You can paint them any color you want. If you're looking for a very specific design or a historic look on the inside of a house, these are really nice windows. Most of them have wood on the inside. It's a wood frame, and then they have a vinyl cladding on the outside of the window so that it's more of a maintenance-free window for you and you don't have to repaint the outside. The other cool thing with Andersen is that they keep their hardware for years. So even windows that were bought back in the 1980s, you can still go online and buy the specific hardware for whatever window you got installed. Whereas with other vinyl windows, it's usually not the case like that. Another differentiating factor with Andersen windows is their warranty. Usually a vinyl window manufacturer, it's a lifetime warranty as long as you own the home. It's non-transferable. Andersen's warranty, on the other hand, is transferable from owner to owner. And that's why a lot of times when people are in the market for a home and they hear there are Andersen windows in the house, they like it, and realtors report that that does increase the home value because the warranty can be transferred. All right, so in summary, are Andersen windows worth the cost? Here's kind of my take on it. If I was in my forever home, and I want the windows, I don't want to have to worry about replacing windows for the next 30 years, I think I would go Andersen. Thing is, even if I do sell the home, I'll probably recoup that cost difference because of the extra value they add to the home. If I have specific design requirements or historic look or something like that, and I really want that wood, obviously I'd go Andersen. However, if I'm flipping a house, if it's a home that I'm not sure how long I'm going to be in, if I just, I'm on a budget, I really just need something short and quick that's going to last me 15, 20 years, then vinyl would be better. So at the end of the day, you'll have to decide which one of those is right for you, kind of based on your situation and what you want to do with your house.